Welcome to our tutorial about the Break at Point command. This tool works like the break tool that we just looked at in our previous lesson. The Break at Point tool is located on the Modify panel of the Home tab. Let's left-click to activate it. First, we're prompted to select an object to break. Now we select the first breakpoint. And as you see, we've got two lines here. Notice that the prompt for the second breakpoint is followed by the @ symbol. We're able to use the break tool itself in a similar fashion. Let me show you what I mean. Let's activate the break command. Now select this line. Right-click, scroll to first point, and select this endpoint. Instead of specifying the second point, I'm going to type the @ symbol at the command prompt and press Enter. And now you see that we've broken our line into two segments. This concludes our lesson about the Break at Point command.